My AC won't turn on. Snowflake blinks the stops and is solid but still no AC.
Hello. My name is. I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. Troubleshooting often requires meters and test equipment. Do you have a multimeter for testing voltage? If not, you can get an inexpensive one at Walmart for about $15. If you have or would like to obtain a meter to troubleshoot, I will be happy to guide you. Without a meter, there are a limited number of things we can check if you are able to do a visual inspection and can do some hands-on troubleshooting. Please let me know and we can go from here.
No, I do not have a voltage tester. Yes, I am able to do some visual and hands-on troubleshooting.
Okay. The fact that the snowflake blinks and then turns solid tells us the thermostat is doing its job. However, it does not seem that we are getting signal to outdoor unit or outdoor unit does not have power. Do you hear a click at the outdoor unit when the snowflake turns solid?
No, there is no click, only a click at the thermostat when I turn on AC. I had a solar company out at my house yesterday and it was working fine. The man had to take thermostat cover off. Go in the attic and check furnace and check outdoor AC. And when I came home, my thermo said low batteries. So I put new batteries in and now we are here. Not sure if he had to shut power off at breaker box, but he did say he had to mess with it.
You may have power turned off to the furnace or the outdoor unit. Will blower come on if you tune the fan setting to on?
No, sorry, blower will not turn on either.
It is possible we do not have power at furnace or from furnace to thermostat. Thermostat display is probably being provided by batteries. Let's make sure breaker is on to furnace, switch beside furnace is on and panels are on furnace good, so door switch is closed.
Okay. Breaker outside house is on, not sure in attic.
The inside one is the one we are concerned with as it provides the 24 volts to tell thermostat to bring on heat, fan or AC. Are you able to check the one by furnace?
Yes, in attic now panel was off on I side. One side.
So let's try and see if AC will come on now. Remember, we have to allow the snowflake to go solid.
Okay, it's on, thank you.
Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings now. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.